This is NECO 2021 General Mathematics Paper 2, and we are answering question number 1C, and the question asks to simplify this fraction. And the fraction involves indexed numbers. Denominator is an indexed number 81 raised to the power of 1 over 6. 1 over 6 is the power of 81 over the denominator of that fraction is 27 raised to the power of minus 1 over 9. Minus 1 over 9 is the power of the 27. So let's attempt to answer this very question together. Solution to the problem, copying the given fraction. 81 to the power of 1 over 6 over 27 to the power of minus 1 over 9. What you do first is to change 81 and 27 to our index number. So 81 can be changed to index as 3 raised to the power of 4. While 27 can be changed to index as 3 raised to the power of 3. Then copy those powers outside the bracket. So you have 3 raised to the power of 4 in the bracket, and the bracket raised to the power of 1 over 6. 3 raised to 3 in the bracket, and the bracket raised to the power of minus 1 over 9. So we continue. So next you now apply the law of indices. Now to multiply this 4 by the power outside, which is 1 over 6, to multiply this power 3 by the power outside, which is minus 1 over 9. So let's do that. So multiplying 4 by 1 over 6 gives answer 4 over 6. So you now have 3 raised to the power 4 over 6 over. Then coming to the denominator, this 3 multiplied by minus 1 over 9 gives answer minus 3 over 9 as the power of this very 3. We continue. So next is to apply another law of indices for dividing two index numbers with the same base. You can see the base of the index number I have at the numerator level, the base is 3. While the index number here I have the denominator, the base is also 3. As the two index numbers have same base, you can now apply that division law, which says you now subtract the powers. So you're now going to have 3, the common base, raised to the power of 4 over 6, which is the power of the numerator, minus, for applying the law, because the law says subtract the powers, and what we are subtracting is the power of the index number you have at the denominator level, which is in this case minus 3 over 9, and this 3 over 9 reduced to simpler form gives answer 1 over 3. So you now have minus 1 over 3. The minus will now change it to plus, so you have 3 raised to the power 4 over 6 plus 1 over 3. And adding these two fractions, that is the power here, which are fractions, using LCM 6 gives a result 6 over 6. So you have 3 raised to the power of 6 over 6. And 6 over 6 is nothing but 1. So you have 3 raised to the power of 1, which is exactly equals to 3. And this answered this very question. So let me just share with you quickly the mark distribution for this very question as it is there in the marking scheme. So the very first mark is method 1 mark, and this method 1 mark you'll be awarded this mark if you were able to change 81 and 27 to index form as 3 raised to 4 and 3 raised to 3 respectively. So you have this very method 1 mark. Next mark is applying the law of indices again for division, where you now have the power of the index number of the numerator level minus the power of the index number at the denominator level. You have this method 1 mark. So next mark is the accuracy 1 mark. When you now have the simplified version of this as 3, you have this accuracy 1 mark. So in total, if everything is done correct, you have 3 good marks in this very question.